In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add and remove grid lines, the formula bar, headers, and the ribbon. In Excel, we're going to want to go to our top navigation over here and go over to the View tab, click on that, and here we can see the options of removing grid lines. You can see those disappear in the background, our formula bar, and then headings, removing our row and column. Now, if we also wanted to remove the ribbon, we can use Control F1 on a PC to hide that and just be left with our data. So this could be for presentations or sending over a more presentable version. Now, to undo that, we can hit Control F1 to bring back our ribbon, and we could reselect our grid lines, formula bars, and headings. There's also a few handy shortcuts which can help speed up our process if we were jumping through different tabs. And if we want to remove grid lines with a shortcut, we can hit Alt. Then we'll see that W references our View tab, so we hit W, and then VG to remove grid lines. We can hit Alt W VF to remove the formula bar, and Alt W VH to remove the headers. So that was a quick demonstration on how to add and remove grid lines, formula bar, header, and ribbon using both the navigation and a few handy shortcuts.